Was Daniela Avila. I was 28 years old when it's to this trip. I traveled to San Andres Island with my family last year. It was one of the most beautiful vacations of my life. My husband and I planned the trip for months. We saved money and prepared everything carefully. When we arrived at the airport, my children felt very excited. We traveled by plane and they enjoyed their first flight. Beautiful beaches and the water was clear and warm. My children played in the sand and built small castles. We swam in the sea and took many family pictures. Every day felt special. And evening we watched the sunset together. The sky turned orange and pink. Later, we ate dinner near the beach and talked about our favorite moments. We laughed and felt very happy. One day it rained heavily and we stayed in the hotel. At first, my children felt disappointed. However, we played games, watched movies, and enjoyed our time together. That day was simple, but meaningful. Thank you, teacher.